In this video, I'll show you photos, videos on appliances that people are having problems with. And at the end of the video, I will read the comments from technicians and DIYers on what you can do to possibly repair the appliance. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment on these videos. Okay, here's the post. My washer was ending its cycle, but would not go into the final spin and was not pumping the water out, only making a strange noise. When I took out the filter, I found this white cap that looks like a top of a water pump impeller. I read that you can access it easier from the bottom. Any tips? Okay, now I'll play the video. Here's the little white cap that was found. GE washer GFW850SPN3RS. Okay, I'm about to read the comments in the post. For you techs and DIYers that might have questions or can help out with the problem, you're more than welcome on commenting on this video. Okay, here's a question. Did you feel inside the right side opening in the filter area where the drain pump impeller is? I see lots of twisted up material in there keeping the impeller from spinning. Dan says bad drain pump. Faith says change control board with the drain pump. Dave says those are notorious for bad drain pumps. Thomas says the water exhaust hose may be too high. So if you have a question or can help out with the problem, you're more than welcome to comment. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Have a good one.